How to minimize YouTube on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up YouTube. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the bottom left corner of your screen. From here, you want to click on the YouTube icon on the window, and from the given pop-up menu list, click on Open in Pop-up View. Now, as you can see, the YouTube has been minimized to a window, and you can even minimize it further. Or you can change the dimensions as you want, as you can see right here. So you can do whatever you want with it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can minimize YouTube on your Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.